How to draw in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can draw on a whiteboard in Canva. So as here you can see, I am currently on Canva in my Windows 11 computer, and after you are successfully opened your application, then the next thing that you need to do is create any design. So in order to create any design, under the home tab you can either click onto this create button or this plus icon at the top. So for example, let me click onto this create button, and then you can type any design that you want. So for example, let's say I will search for whiteboard, and here is this whiteboard. So let me simply click onto this whiteboard option, and here you can see that it has opened this whiteboard. So this is a whiteboard design. Here I can have a number of options, like I can choose to make some flowcharts or graphs as well. And if you want to draw freehand, what you can do is simply go to this tools option and you can see these options. And since we have opened a whiteboard design, it will be automatically opened by here. So under the tools, you have these options, and the second one is the draw option. So if you click onto this draw option, you have a number of shaders and drawing tools like the pen, marker, highlighter, eraser, and then this is the option to change the color and change the settings of the drawing that you're creating. So let's click onto this pen option, and here you can see this is our pen icon, and by clicking onto your mouse button you can draw anything that you want. So you can draw images using this pen marker, and you can also use this particular white space like a blackboard, or let's say for a particular session that you want. So that's how easily you can use these different types of features or these different types of tools so that you can get a whiteboard, especially if you are teaching something. And in order to erase these lines, you can use this or select the eraser, and then you can hover over to the particular element that you want to delete. In order to change the color, you can change the color of any particular element by clicking onto this color button and then choosing the new color that you want. And here you can see now the color has been changed. You can also choose to change the weight and the transparency as well. So here you can see that, here you can see that this is very transparent, and you can increase the transparency as well as the weight of this particular thing that you are drawing. So that's how easily you can use the whiteboard in order to draw in your Canva application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.